the second video, do a full in-depth review of this hotel room. We just got here. Look, they got a sectional in the hotel room. This is the front door, the Residence Inn in Arlington, Virginia. Look at this nice little two-seater little desk dining area. It's the kitchen area. Little kitchen with the little, you know what I'm saying, the little stove. Microwave. Got the plates and the bowls and stuff like that. Pots and pans. You know what I'm saying? We want to cook, have a good old time in here, you know. Got the silverware nicely lined up, you know. Cutting board. There's the sink right there. The other stuff under the sink. Coffee maker. You know. Full refrigerator in here. Got a toaster. I'm talking, we can make meals in here, like meals.
Right, we can make meals. But we're only gonna be here for a short period of time.
It is a nice flat screen TV. You alright, baby girl? Yeah, you okay. Nice flat screen. The little packing plate right there beside our bed, so she can sleep in. Nice bed right here. Just the little sink area. Little sink. Nice full mirror. Full body mirror right here. Extra pillow and blankets with the ironing board with iron hangers. Nice bathroom. Small little bathroom, but it's nice. I mean,
it's just a toilet and tub. It's big for just toilet and tub.
Yeah, we only gonna be here for tonight, so I mean, that's good.
Ava, come here. Hey, say look. Hey, look at you. No, you looking at what Daddy doing.
I'll take a picture of it.
I took it.
Mm-hmm.
It just